Today on All Things 80s, we got some bootleg Star Wars metal models. Welcome back to All Things 80s. Now, as we're on lockdown, I was struggling for something interesting to do, and I remembered a couple years back in Thailand, I bought these bootleg Star Wars metal models. Now, I've never done anything like this before, so I thought it'd be a good chance to use the time and try and build these. Now, as I said, they are bootlegs, they're not official releases, and we got these at one of the Thai markets that typically sell like cell phone accessories and t-shirts and things. But I saw these, caught my eye, I thought, yeah, I'll take those. And the price on these was 300 Thai baht, which is approximately $9. But I think my wife did a bit of haggling, and I got them both for, I think it was, I don't know, 500 baht maybe. But regardless, here I am, a couple of years later, finally going to get round to building these. So what we'll do is we'll get these opened up, we'll see what's involved, and we'll get them built, and then we'll talk about the models themselves. Right, so here we are with the 3D model metal Star Wars TIE Fighter. And it's saying its Japanese making technology is applied on this product with laser cut. Okay. What else? Each model is made from a pair of completely flat laser etched steel sheets. To build, pop out the pieces and then bend, fold and assemble them together using the illustrated instructions as a guide. Metal Earth models require no special tools or glue thanks to their ingenious slot and tab designs. And then it's got a sentence beginning with, because they're laser etched. Oh, it continues, does it? No. Anyway, this is definitely in Thai, Ayok, Thailand, and I guess it's just a case of bending tabs and things. Okay. I'm really not the world's handiest when it comes to this kind of thing, so I'm hoping I can do this. But regardless, we'll give it a shot. So what do we have? Little catalogue of the other things they offer. Fun to build. Museum quality. Okay. So, 3D metal model. Jesus, this stuff is tiny. And it's all in Japanese, but it does have sort of diagrams, so should be okay, I guess. And the parts themselves, let's see. Hey, wow, extremely small. Oh boy. Okay, this could be interesting. So anyway, there are two sheets. So this is, let's see, this is, hang on. Okay, so this is this one, and this is the second one, which should be, what the hell? Yeah, this way. Okay. So we've got one, okay, we have to follow the numbers here. Okay. Oops. I'm kind of wishing I hadn't started this because I really don't like the look of this at all. So I need piece one. Okay, I'm going to build this, and hopefully I can put the build on a speeded up bit of footage, because I don't want to be sort of sharing my thoughts on this, because I'm imagining there's going to be a lot of bad words used. So we'll put this on high speed, and hopefully it won't take too long to build this, and we'll talk about the actual build itself. Okay, so I'm back with the R2D2 model. The reason being the TIE fighter model, when I was trying to do it, whether it was my mistake or the fact that it's a cheap bootleg, but parts of it were just breaking in all the wrong areas, and it became impossible to finish. So I'm going to try take two now with the R2D2 model. Again, I'm seeing a lot of tiny little parts here, and to be honest with you, even if this was an officially released product that was made to a high standard, this is not something that really gives me any pleasure. It's just far too small, fiddly, and highly frustrating. So let's see the parts here. They're still pretty small, but hi. So take two. So as you saw there, complete fail, and I do take some responsibility because, like I said earlier, it's not something I'm particularly good at, and I'm rather clumsy. However, I think with those being bootlegs, the quality was obviously not there, and it was just impossible to get those tiny little tabs into the holes and complete the model successfully. And as you saw with the TIE Fighter, I already broke parts of that trying to get them in. So all in all, this was a complete and utter fail. And just going by my sort of short experience of trying to build these, even if I were to get hold of the officially released ones, that's not something that gives me any pleasure. You have to have complete patience, and I guess having sort of chunky sausage fingers doesn't really help either. So that was a bit of a waste of time. Glad I did it, got it out of the way, but never again. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, well, actually don't like this video because it was terrible, but please subscribe though, and stay tuned for more videos from All Things 80s.